Welcome. In today's video, we are going to look at the different ways to sign out or log out of Windows 10. So there are three different ways we can log out of Windows 10. So the first way is a way we've been able to do for many years with many different operating systems, is by pressing Control, Alt, and Delete to bring up this menu. This menu will allow us to lock the computer, switch our user, or sign out. Our second option in Windows 10 is to go all the way over to the bottom left of the screen and right-click on the Start button. If you go up to the second option, it will open up another menu that allows you to sign out, sleep, shut down, or restart. Here we could sign out of your user. That would be logging out. Signing out and logging out are the same in Windows 10. Your third option is again to go to the Start menu, but regular left click on it. Click on the little user symbol here, up 3 spaces. And from here, you can lock your computer, sign out, or switch your accounts. I hope that this video was informative in helping you learn how to sign out in Windows 10.